This is your first trick, Aaron.
No! Okay. I'm not scared. I think we need to lock the fingers. Let's go, back to back. Oh! All right, guys, we are very excited to be here today at the Fremont Skate Park with the world's best casterboarders. What's your name?
Cecil from FTA Casterboarding.
Boom! Jason?
Yeah. And I'm Dylan.
Dylan?
Lance.
Lance?
Maria.
Maria? You might know Lance.
He's also the world's best free skater.
He's also the best, world's best free skater. Anything with wheels, anything that has wheels, he's basically the best. Okay, so I guess the idea is that you're gonna teach me some tricks.
Cool. Some casterboarding specific tricks.
I have a lot of
Are you
questions.
gonna try them on a casterboard?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Did you think I was gonna try it on a skateboard?
Maybe.
That would be total cheating. We would never.
Depends on what it is. We got some tricky stuff.
Really? I got a question. I got all these. Tell me everything. Just start from the beginning.
All right. So yeah, casterboard. We got 2 wheels on casters. Gives you a little bit of a different dynamic.
Okay.
Probably the place where these shine the best is in the bowl.
No, it doesn't. Don't do that in the bowl. You guys are gonna get hurt. Okay.
But they're okay on street. You
Yeah.
can get some decent vert with it. So
Okay,
we
so
can
you
try a
have
variety.
this thing in the middle that swivels.
That's a torsion bar.
Torsion bar.
Yep.
Street surfing.
Yep.
So, yeah, I have so many questions. Last night I went to the Braille house and I saw a magazine, the Caster Mag, and I was like, oh my gosh. It like reminds me of like a really old skateboard magazine, you know, like classic. So, what do we do? I guess you just do a trick and I try and do it. Why are you
Wait,
tricking?
do the one.
Oh, the backflip? Okay.
This is your first trick, Aaron.
No. No! Okay. I mean, we're gonna start like that. Oh! Do I do some kind of tutorial with it or no? No instruction.
Right here. We'll put this guardrail.
All right, we're just kidding. That was like trick number
You don't want me to try that?
100.
Fine, I won't. Look at the studio audience today. Okay, give me a different trick.
Okay.
Can you do a shove it? Is that possible?
Shove it? No.
So they're not meant to go backwards. There's
Really?
a couple weird ways you
go
can kind of
one
break
way.
that, but unless you have the bi-directional
They
casters.
only go one way. Okay, noted. So 3 shove is okay. Okay, go ahead.
All right.
Give me like something easy.
Something easy. We'll try a 360. Just a 360 spin on here.
Just a 360 spin.
Like that.
Okay. Do I just go? Is there any kind of tutorial in this?
Right now we're going through a video series where we're riding every casterboard ever made
Really?
worldwide. So
I love
once we
that
finish
idea.
that series, we're gonna start on trick series.
Where
So.
did this start and when and how?
This started over in Europe. Street surfing worldwide is out of Portugal. It got pretty big over there, and before they came to America, I bought one. International shipping sucks, but I bought
Yeah.
one. And the company actually saw that we had one. They're like, I don't know how you guys got that, but
Yeah.
do you guys want to be like product ambassadors for us in America? I'm like, sure.
Whoa, street surfing.
Yeah.
Wow, fascinating. Okay, in the skateboard world, I think we call this like a nollie 360.
Yeah.
So I just go for that?
Yeah, basically you spin on the nose and then rotate around.
Tutorial videos coming soon. First try, I want a Jamba Juice, Gabe.
All right.
For real. Any size!
Nice.
First try!
First try.
Let's go! What's number 2?
All right,
two?
Number 2.
Just a finger flip.
What?
Just a basic finger flip. You know.
No big
Ain't
deal.
thing.
I finger flip all the time.
Oh!
And you land and roll away. Man. Any particular hand? You use the back hand?
Usually we hold it like this. Make sure this side's in the front.
This side in the front.
Yep. Yeah, that's
Okay,
the nose.
small side. The small side's a nose. Okay. So you hold it like
You hold
so.
it like that. You give it a flip and hop on.
Wow. If I land this first try, I want tomato soup,
From Panera, you.
Panera, and grilled cheese and tomato soup. Why is there a drumstick here? We haven't been here with a drumstick skateboard for months. Wow. You know what I'm really scared of is jumping on it.
Yeah.
Should I just go full
Just
send?
full send, dude. Panera on the line.
I'm gonna eat it. No. Oh no! I'll never get my Panera. Oh. I almost got the worst.
You almost
shoulder
got to
of my
like
life.
land on it right at the perfect same time with both feet.
What do I do?
You're getting there. You're getting there. You just gotta
Help me out, brother.
Let me do it again.
Tutorial videos coming soon. Leave it in the comments below.
Okay, well basically, I don't know, you want to flip it? It's easier to like right when it lands, you gotta watch, kind of like catching a skateboard.
Yeah.
You gotta wait for that right moment.
Yeah.
And hop on.
First try, every try, yeah, this first try.
I'm not scared.
Commitment here.
I know. This might be the
audience is getting upset.
studio audience. Give me a cheer. That was a lot more than I expected. I want that Panera! What's 3?
Number 3.
Number 3. Hey,
This one
hey,
takes 2.
you're not ready for this one, dude. This blew my mind.
This is some next level stuff.
I just realized on the top it says The Wave.
Oh! Oh!
The live studio audience made the funniest noise, all in sync. What?
I'll have you know I almost did this first try.
I'll do it first try.
Good.
This is where I live, Gabe. So you're left foot forward, so I'm gonna go the other way.
Are you goofy?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so it'd be. This setup would be more like this.
You're gonna switch it?
I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Good luck.
Your front foot is on the back of the first board.
Okay.
Come up on it.
Okay.
And you grab the second one.
It's a good thing you explained that, because I would have totally messed that up. Front foot on the back of the first board, back foot on the front of the next board.
Yep.
Say that 5 times fast.
Just catch it. Goofy.
That does look really strange.
Doesn't it? Yep.
Did you guys know Gabe is the ripstick god?
Yeah.
They knew that.
Oh!
Into the sunset!
He's still going.
You're gonna come all the way back.
He's getting better and better. He's getting better and better. Look at this ball.
All my years of experience on free skates have finally paid off. For real though, you see
I
me
know,
free
yeah,
skating over there?
you're.
That's tricky with multiple people.
Oh yeah, that's sick too. Aaron, I got you and me, dude. You and me.
What? It's like a train of Casterboards. There's about to be an X Games!
That was smooth.
I think they don't even give us a tutorial. We just hold hands and go into the
Yeah, let's
sunset.
go. Let's do it.
All right, you just give it a push, and then
Ready? On 3?
1, 2, 3.
Free skate, dude! Come on!
I never learned how to free
I
skate.
know! Lance, get in here. Just kidding. You got this, you got this.
So what? You just
Yeah!
But you leave the middle one stationary. He moves the front, you move the back one,
okay.
and you guys leave the middle one alone pretty much.
I knew that.
3, 2, 1.
Never felt closer to you. I'm moving the front. you're
I'm
not
a
moving the
ripstick
back.
god, not this professional stuff.
Not Casterboard guy. Ripstick god only.
I think it's because we're holding hands. It's throwing me off.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, I think so.
I think we need to lock the fingers.
He asked for it. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on!
I feel like we were going.
That was your fault. You
We
fell
did
off
it.
that one.
I was like, we went 3 feet. We did it. No?
That was pretty good. All right, one
Again?
more try. One more try.
We should go that way, downhill.
All right, one more try. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm not. Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! No!
Unless you want to throw down that trick. That does keep control.
I need you. One more
That
try?
would be a good number 5.
Okay. I'm taking the camera back. I'm done.
One trip to California, lose your legs from Gabe Cruz. Sorry. Trick number 4.
Trick number 4.
Manual.
The manual. I like the sound of that. But he's going so fast, it's making me nervous. Oh no, Lance! Lance!
Come on, Aaron.
What do you do? You just manual?
It's like a board.
Just like a skateboard. I get real nervous on any kind of incline. Oh man, I gotta do at least a square.
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Go for 2.
2 squares? Oh boy, more speed. Oh! I feel like I'm gonna eat it and kill the live studio audience, and they're such good kids. That's good. Do we count that? Oh my god.
Shifty manual. Why?
What? Dude, he's looking like the Andy Anderson of Casterboard. Oh, there's 2.
What game? Ouch. Trick 5.
Trick number 5. You were going for it.
Kickflip? Is it really possible? Is it hard?
Is it possible? It is possible, and you're gonna learn.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think so?
I think so, man. I've seen your street parts. You're good.
Go ahead. Let me see.
So the trick is, since you can't put your foot on the edge of the board,
Yeah.
you want to put as much weight on your toes as you can when you're setting up.
Toe.
That way, when you get into the stance for your flip,
Yeah.
you already have your foot in the position you want it.
And you pop similar?
That is what? That was oh yeah. Nathan.
Well, it's gonna take me the rest of the day, maybe the rest of the night. Hold my phone, Dad.
Why, you been doing all that with your phone in your pocket?
Well, you know. So like there?
Yeah.
Feels so wrong. There's no way.
Where's the pot?
You flick more like off the side?
There you go.
So there's a little bit of a downward flick with it too.
It's kind of like Yoda said. You must first unlearn what you have learned. Help me. Help me. Uzi's done it? Uzi, give me a kickflip. Okay, I can do this. Oh. Uzi versus Aaron, kickflip off. Okay, challenge accepted. I landed like this.
Figured it out though.
Dang it! I was so close, and then I really go to land and I just totally miss it. Taking it down for the whole team.
Oh! Back to back.
Let's go, back to back.
Oh!
I never thought I could do it. And then my fans were there, and they made me do it. I was really nervous there for a while. I thought I might have to give up and cry. But thank you guys for coming out here.
Yeah, no problem.
That was super fun.
Yeah, it's been awesome.
How long have you been riding these for?
Since before they were cool and long after they stopped being cool. 12 years.
12 years. Wow, that's incredible. Well, keep up the good work.
Yeah.
Keep killing it out there.
All right, yeah, just a shout out to Street Surfing for making this happen. Producing a professional level casterboard. Yeah. And for sending us out here, sponsoring our team. Feel free to check us out on Instagram, FTA_casterboarding.
Let's go! The link will be in that description below. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, can learn how to ride a skateboard, a casterboard, whatever floats your boat.